Today I'll be showing you how to add video and audio transitions to your clips in Premiere Pro. So to start, I have two clips here. Let's get rid of that space in there. And now we're going to go up to the top right where it says Workspaces. Click on Workspaces. Go down to Effects. Now you have all these effects here. What you're going to want to go to is either audio transitions or video transitions. We're going to start with video transitions. We will go to wipe, because I like some of those, and what you're going to do is hold left click and then drag over top of the two clips, and now you made a transition. You can then make it bigger, smaller if you just hold left click on that. So now let's see how that looks. Now that is a wipe transition. Obviously there's tons of different transitions you can play around with. Now we're going to do an audio transition, which you guys are not going to be able to hear, but I'll just show you it's the same basic thing. You can go in here, go to, let's see, no, that's, now go to audio transitions, crossfade. I'm pretty sure this is all you really get with stock Premiere, so we'll go to exponential fade. This is one I like to use, same deal. Make it bigger, smaller. It just kind of fades the audio in and out as it transitions. So yeah, that is how you make transitions in Premiere Pro.